Hi and welcome back to today's morning report chart appraisal with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Wednesday the 30th of July. Moving quickly on to cable now, and I've just talked about the euro dollar that continues to fall, and cable continues to fall as well. There's no stopping this chart at the moment. However, this 89-day moving average capped the downside, or stopped the downside anyway, February, March, May and June, and we're not far off there now, 68.90, which is only 40 pips away from where we're trading currently. Although you would argue that at the moment the supports are not really doing too much. I mean, the next support comes in around about that 69 big figure mark, so that could be a bit of an interesting point. But I would refer you again to the dollar index, which I said earlier. Dollar index is coming up to an important pivot level resistance. So perhaps the fact that the index is nearing a turning point, or potential stopping point anyway, that could equate to a bit of support coming in for cable. That's something that I'm beginning to think could be happening. Also, if you look on cable, these momentum indicators are beginning to, well, I mean, they're still certainly corrective, and I think unless this 89-day moving average, if that doesn't now hold, I think I'm going to have to start to think about my longer-term outlook on cable, because it is the size of this correction has been so significant. That's around 250 pips on this correction now since the high, and the move to the downside is so significant that would suggest that perhaps the dollar bulls are in serious control of this chart now, and unless the sterling bulls can fight back on that 89-day moving average, then we might start to break down the longer-term bullish outlook. So, coming up to a really important pivot level, I think, or sorry, important crossroads on sterling dollar, and it'll be very interesting to see how this one pans out, because you've got a lot of US data out today, and that will certainly produce a bit of volatility. So on the intraday chart, as I said with the euro dollar, I think you'd probably argue that this 89-hour moving average is now a bit of a gauge. 69.71, so that's 40 pips on the upside. It had been this 55-hour, but you saw a couple of peaks above there, and it started to now become the 89-hour moving average being that basis of resistance. So I think that's one to watch. 69.71 on the upside. If you start to move above that, which would also take you, I mean, it's not too far away from this this resistance band as well, around 69.60. Which comes in, but the key level at the moment on the near term, I think, is now $1.70 big figure. That is the line in the sand in terms of the rally highs that we've had over the past few days. I think that's the level that we need to breach on the upside. But at the moment, once again, it seems as though that cable is being put under pressure by this early European forex trading, which has taken dollar strength once again. So interesting moves on that. But anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.